Borders, security, or illusion? Let's find out. Borders are always a hot topic. Do they truly protect us? Recent events suggest they're a critical part of national security. Let's dive into some recent incidents. In July 2024, 3 Palestinians and 1 Turk, all with possible terror ties, were detained at the southwest border in San Diego. In May 2024, a Jordanian illegal border crosser breached the USMC Quantico base. And in 2023, 8 Tajiks with ISIS-K ties crossed the southwest border, were released, and later rearrested. The FBI Director Christopher Wray has warned of increased terror threats since the October 7, 2023 Hamas attack. In March 2024, an ISIS-K attack on a Russian concert killed 150 people, showing the group's broader ambitions. Just a month later, an Uzbek with ISIS-K ties was arrested in Baltimore. He had lived illegally in the U.S. for 2 years. In February 2024, a Colombian with terror ties was detained in Texas. And back in August 2023, over a dozen Uzbeks with potential ISIS links were detained and then released as asylum seekers. The problem is clear: there's a rising number of individuals on the terrorist screening dataset trying to enter the U.S. In fiscal year 2023, there were 80 encounters at the southwest border and 484 at the northern border. Fiscal year 2024 saw 52 at the southwest border and 358 at the northern border. And let's not forget the 1.7 million gotaways since 2021, whose terror links remain unknown. So, what's the solution? First, we need to pressure the cartels, disrupt their operations through law enforcement, military action, and intelligence work. Joint training with Mexico can also help. However, we should avoid the kingpin strategy. Targeting leaders often increases violence. Instead, address the root causes like corruption and poverty. A balanced approach is key. Use both punitive measures and resources to assist Mexican law enforcement. Improve vetting and intelligence sharing. Automatic detention and deportation should be enforced for illegal aliens on the TSDS watch list. Judges with top-secret clearance should assess these security risks. In conclusion, borders are vital, but our current systems are flawed. We need a multi-pronged approach. Pressure the cartels, cooperate with Mexico, and improve enforcement. Make illegal entry harder and deter terrorists. Subscribe for more.